Top Notch Coaching Network. Today, we are going to be looking at US and China penny stocks. US and China penny stocks that you should buy and hold. Like I will always give this disclaimer that this is not a financial advice. You are advised to also do your own due diligence over these stocks that are being mentioned so that you will not make mistakes. So, in our last video, we talked about Nigerian penny stocks, and some of those stocks are actually doing well today. And the thing about Nigerian penny stocks, Nigerian stock market actually, and the US stock market, or any other stock market at that, is this: that Nigerian stock market has a higher growth rate. Some of the stocks I spoke about 2 months ago, one of the stock was at 7 naira. I think Asamansad was at 7 naira. That was some 2 months ago or so. As at today, Asamansad is either 16 naira or so. One other one again was 1 naira. As at today, it's now 2 naira 50 something kobo. You see, I noticed that the Nigerian stock market has a higher growth rate capacity. The only problem is the inflation of the country. The inflation rate is high, and sometimes it eats into the dividends and the profits you make from the shares you have bought. But still, it's not a bad market to invest in. But the US stock market has more stable economy and a stronger currency, and so their inflation rate is lower. So it's sometimes their stocks, whether it's penny stock or any stock, may not have this astronomical growth, but when it grows, the growth is stable, the currency is also stable because of the stable economy, and the inflation rate is very low. I think 3 point something percent or 4% per se. So that is why sometimes they are also very good to buy, because when they grow, because of the exchange rate as well, you tend to make more money when you have enough of these stocks and when the stocks you have chosen actually do well. So that is why today we are going to be looking at 4 tech stocks. Tech has made more billionaires in the past few years than any other industry has ever made. We have more billionaires today because of the tech. Now, AI is also coming in, and in fact, AI has come to stay. So that's why we want to look at tech companies, US tech companies and China tech companies that have certain penny stocks that you can buy and hold and believe that they will grow. So these companies operate in the US and in China as well, while some operate just in China, in US or in China. But majority operates both in the US and in China, but not all the 4 stocks. So without wasting much of time, I also want you to know that when I talk about penny stocks in the US or China, I'm talking about stock prices that are below $5. We're looking at prices or stocks that their prices are just like $4 and not more than $5. At most $5. So most of the stocks, 4 stocks I'm going to talk about, are below $5, and some of them have been projected to grow beyond that price. Some are falling, which gives you the advantage of buying more. So let's look at some of these 4 stocks that operate both in these penny stocks for US and China market. So I think I have written them down on my book. The first one I want to talk about is Innovo, and they are into advertising technology. Their symbol is INV. So they are into advertising technology, and they are an AI company. So that's why we chose them. I think their market capitalization should be over 100 million now, over 100 million, and their current share price is 3 naira 86 cents. $3, sorry. Forget, don't mind me. I'm used to using the word naira. So their current stock price is $3.86. $3.86, and they have been projected to grow by Wainwright Company to grow to at least, I think I have this here, I think they've been projected to grow to at least $17.50. The growth rate is, the growth projection is actually high. Today they are $3.86, and they have been projected by certain analysts to grow to $17. So it's not a bad idea to buy in now while they are still at this penny level. Now, another stock that I want to talk about here is the Hub Cyber Security. Hub Cyber Security, and the Hub Cyber Security is spelled their symbol is HUBC. HUBC. They are into development of cyber products, softwares, and quality systems. Cyber softwares, they're into cyber security basically, and they have, I think they are also in currently they are trading at $2.85. That is their current share price. Hub Cyber Security is currently at $2.85, and they are into quality into cyber products, software, and quality systems that help to manage risk. Let me take that again. They say that Hub Cyber Security are into the development of cyber products, softwares, quality systems, reliability, and risk management. So they are into the cyber software industry. So, and their current share price is $2.85. There has been no projection as to whether they will grow or not, but they are on my watch list, and I am also monitoring their growth rate. The third one I want to talk about is Holo, Micro Cloud Hologram, and their symbol is Holo. Their symbol is HOLO, Holo, and currently they are trading at, I think as at today's date is the 16th of August 2025. So everything I am saying today will be based on today's date. So today's date is 16th of August 2025. So this price I'm giving a current price. So the Micro Cloud Hologram Company, is their symbol is Holo, HOLO, and their current stock price is $4.75. They are into hologram. I don't know if you know about hologram. I cannot really go into everything now, but this is their field, and they've also delved into, recently I studied, they are not on my watch list, and when I looked into their performance, I saw that they have also pivoted or started investing in Bitcoin securities, and because the US is currently putting half of their foreign reserve in Bitcoin, and so this company, Micro Cloud Hologram, has also invested about $200 million in this Bitcoin security things. And so I don't know if that is a good potential, but I am sure that if we can lock in at currently at $4.75, and they finally grow, well, that means there is a lot of money to be made when and if this penny stock finally goes above penny stock. So once again, it is Micro Cloud Hologram. They are into holographic production. I don't know how to explain these hologram things, but if you can make your own research, you will find out more about holograms and what the technology is actually used for. And the last one on my list, I'm just reading through this thing so I don't make mistake, is the Agora, and their symbol is API. That is their symbol. They provide real-time communication solutions, and they operate both in the US and in China. Remember I said when we started that some of these companies operate both in the US and in China. So Agora The symbol is API, and they operate both in US and in China, and they provide real-time communication solutions, and they operate in both US and China. The company also serves industries like the game industries, the retail industry, and the educational industry. So they serve three industries. It's actually a good company to invest in my own opinion, because they provide services for the gaming industry, they provide services for the retail industry, and they also provide services for the educational industry. So they are into the three different totally different industries. And I think their current price now is about $3.73, $3.73, and they have also been projected to grow. So these are the four penny tech stocks for the US and China, that I've been able to find. I have done some penny stocks for Nigerian, and I've done a video for the Nigerian penny stocks. So this is for China and for US and China penny stocks, and the companies operate in both countries, some of them. So this is what we have for today. In our next video, we will be talking about the health penny stocks in the health industry. So till I come here again next week, keep subscribing, and if you find value, comment and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.